Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy English Real World. Today's story is called Going to the Doctor. Listen carefully. This morning I don't feel very well. My head hurts. My throat feels sore. I also have a small cough. At first, I think it will go away. I drink a glass of water. I rest on the sofa. After 1 hour, I still feel sick. I decide to visit a doctor. I get dressed slowly. I take my phone and my wallet. Then I leave my house. The clinic is close to my apartment. It only takes 15 minutes to walk there. When I arrive, I open the front door. The waiting room is quiet. A few people are sitting on chairs. Some are reading magazines. Others are looking at their phones. I walk to the front desk. The receptionist smiles at me. Good morning. Good morning, I reply. She asks for my name. Then she checks the computer. A few minutes later, she says, "Please have a seat." I sit down. The room is clean and comfortable. There are green plants near the window. Soft music is playing quietly. I wait for about 20 minutes. Finally, the nurse calls my name. I stand up and follow her. She checks my temperature. She checks my blood pressure. Everything is normal. Then she takes me to the doctor's office. The doctor smiles kindly. How are you feeling today? I said, my throat hurts. I have a headache. I also have a cough. The doctor listens carefully. He asks a few more questions. Then he checks my throat. He listens to my breathing. After a few minutes, he smiles. It is only a small cold. You don't need to worry. I feel relieved. The doctor gives me some advice. Drink plenty of water. Get enough rest. Take this medicine. If you don't feel better in a few days, come back. I thank the doctor. He gives me a prescription. Before going home, I stop at a pharmacy. The pharmacist reads the prescription. A few minutes later, she gives me the medicine. I pay for it. Then I walk home. At home, I make a cup of hot tea. I take my medicine. I watch a short movie. After that, I take a nap. When I wake up, I already feel a little better. My headache is smaller. My throat feels better too. Sometimes our bodies only need a little rest. Taking care of our health is very important. Eating healthy food helps us stay strong. Drinking enough water is also important. Sleeping well gives our bodies time to recover. I am happy that I went to the doctor today. Now I know what to do. Tomorrow will be a better day. Aha, done. Great job. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode of Easy English Real World.